We have 2 squirrels now. Oh, he just jumped away so you can't see him. He's been watching him. He's really going at that stick, trying to get all the stuff out of the holes. Guess I need to go over there and make some more stuff. Here he is. This is kind of a brownish, a grayish black. Whereas this one looks blacker. As somebody said I should name these, or I thought I should name them. So what do you think his name should be? I think that must be a male. Guess I could get up and look, but he might run away. And this one I think is a female, because I saw some little nipples. See, I'm converting this with Prism Video Converter. I'm converting my files so I can edit them. I'm also saving this one that I just edited. See how dark he is? I need a name. Somebody has to name him for me. Or I'll just call him Black Squirrel. Gray Black Squirrel. See how big this one is? Humongous. Do you think it's a female? Guess he keeps falling down. Guess he saw me move.